Hey guys! Welcome back to another episode of the JFT channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you how to create this customized bar named Himalayan Frankincense Mint. This recipe is very simple, but again, you will first need the following ingredients and tools. First step is to melt the 300-gram glycerin bar. Stir slowly until everything is melted, and then you mix the carrier oil. I chose argan oil for this recipe for its ability to moisturize, soothe, and protect the skin from sun damage and other harmful oxidants. Continue stirring until the oil is fully immersed with the melted glycerin base. Next step is to pour the Himalayan salt into the bowl. Stir as usual until fully blended. Now we can scent the soap. I chose frankincense, my ultimate favorite essential oil, orange, and peppermint. You have to try this blend. If you follow me and the V&M Naturals account on Instagram, you will know how much I am in love with this blend. When I was making this soap, I was inspired by the summer heat, so I wanted to make it really minty and refreshing. I also want it to be antimicrobial and have antiseptic properties that will work for any skin type. I also wanted it to be skin refining that gently exfoliates the skin from any kind of roughness. Now we transfer it from the bowl to this glass measuring cup. Then we pour the soap to the silicone molds and just simply wait an hour or two. Or you can also wait overnight to make sure it's hard enough before you wrap it using a plastic wrapper. I was so concerned about getting the salt into the mold, I didn't realize it could spill. But there you have it. Once these harden, they're ready for using. I hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial and let me know how it helped you make your own soap. For more recipes, click on the subscribe button and the bell button so you'll be notified when I upload the next videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.